Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for supporting Maja_KE. This is another episode in Nairobi, guys. So we arrived safely in Nairobi, and yeah, so kinda tired, but guys, we really need to move so that I can show you guys what we came to do in Nairobi in a very short period of time, so that you can go back to the village and see village grandma and village grandpa, so that we can at least complete the kitchen of village grandma. So guys, I'm coming live from Nairobi, Kenya. Yeah, as you can see, this is the way I'm passing. So yeah, this is Nairobi. It looks like a village. So with me here I have a friend. Maybe he can say hi.
Hello guys, I think you remember me very well. I'm Boni TV, and kindly subscribe to Maja_KE.
Yeah,
like if you know, you know.
yes,
right?
if you know, you know.
Welcome, Maja.
Yes, thank you so much.
You are always welcome in Nairobi.
Yes,
You are a part of my family.
yes,
I know you know.
yes. How is Nairobi?
Life is tough,
Yes.
you know.
Yeah, I know Nairobi is very tough.
Very
You know,
tough.
guys,
Even you
these
can
few
see.
days I'm here, it's very tough. Like, not even few days, this one day. Like, I feel like I should go back to the village. I don't know if you people in the village miss me. Yes. Wow. So guys, but this place looks like the village, guys. What do you think about it? But right about now we are going to town, so we are just going to take a matatu from a nearby place. You know, I'm tightening this camera with this handle. Don't know if you can see, because we know Nairobi is very tough. You remember the story of Rocio, so I don't want it to happen also to me. I think I should go this way, because come this way because of light. Yeah. So guys, if you remember the story of Rocio, and this is Nairobi. You see, now I'm quiet. This is not my
This is where
territory.
we shop. But then this is where we shop.
Yeah.
Greens and stuff.
Yes.
This is where we shop. This
Wow.
is like our market from here to until there.
down there.
Yeah.
So how is it compared to the village? Because you are from the village,
Yes.
and you decided to come to the city. Comparing the village and the city, maybe you can say veggies,
You
maybe
know,
tomatoes. Yeah.
you know, in the city they are a little expensive, you know.
Yeah.
Even tomatoes, the greens,
Yes.
you can't compare to the from at home.
At home, yeah, the
Yeah.
village.
Yeah. It's a little bit high. It's high.
Here it's very high.
It's very high.
You know, one tomato in the village you can buy it at 10 shillings, but here
20
maybe-
bob, one or two at 25 or 30 bob, which means that is, I don't know, 0. What
yeah,
dollars.
0.2, 0. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So in the village is a bit cheaper, and you can have your own farm that you make. You bring fresh fruits, or rather like veggies from there.
So this is our stage.
Yeah.
Yeah, from here to town. Like
Yes.
there's one called Manyanga, and there's there's some people like loud music.
Yes.
And others they don't like
Yeah.
music at all.
So
but
I
if
think-
you can see there's a Manyanga there. You can see that one. You
Yes.
see it's Pim.
Yeah.
You know that one. If you get in, my friend,
That
you
is
can-
the culture in Nairobi,
culture
matatu
in Nairobi,
culture.
Matatu culture, my friend.
Yeah.
You can really like it.
Yes.
Yeah. I
Like-
don't think. Let's take some tour. You can see it.
Yeah. But you don't. I don't want to get into a matatu that has music,
Yeah.
because of copyright. It's very hard. Very hard, guys, to cross the road. Not like the village. So you have to be very careful. So we look for a matatu that is full. Music. Nenda chao. Down. Down in that.
So
loud music here. Roysam. So we have to stand. That is the matatus culture in Nairobi. Yes, so guys, due to the system in the car that we were in, you know, the matatus culture, they have the loudest music here in Nairobi, guys. So we are in the middle of the town, Nairobi city. Yeah, you can hear the volumes here. Hey, everywhere music. Yes, so we have to pass fast because of the copyright. We are crossing. Huh?
Yeah.
So guys, yes, it's very hard to cross here, and we have to be very, very careful. Yeah. MKU.
Yes. Which I was.
Yeah. Wow. I don't know if we'll get copyright.
Yeah?
The loud music, we can get copyright. So we have to go very fast. Yes. So guys, this is Nairobi city. So we are at where's this place called? This place is called? I think this is Kencom. Yeah, so we are around Kencom, guys. We are just
archives where most of people meet.
Yeah, exactly here. Zitec University Archives. So we are crossing. So these cars, I know they go to Hurlingham. Yes. So guys, we're trying to be a bit fast. Nairobi is so tough. Have to be very, very, very careful. So this is where people chill when they are. Yeah, I don't want to. And we hear this to show anyone. You know, people here can say, "Why are you recording? Why are you recording me?" So and you have to be very, very careful. Yes, and be my guide. You know. Also look behind. Someone can come and yes. So guys, it's been long since I was here. I think like how many months?
8 months.
8 months. Yeah. But now we are back, guys, and yeah. So this is Kencom. This is the big. Is this the biggest bank in Nairobi? KCB. Kenya Commercial Bank is the biggest.
Yeah.
Yes. This one. Yeah. This KCB. So I think we should pass this way or that. This way is better. Yeah, this way at least it's cool. No, we have no many people here, so we have easy time of showing you the beautiful Nairobi, guys.
It looks beautiful, by the way.
Yeah.
This is butter.
Sorry. Oh, this is butter. I used to wear these shoes when going to school.
I was in high school. I used to
High
wear
school
this.
and primary
If
school.
you didn't have butter shoes,
Hey,
my
yes.
friend.
Now you are not even going to school.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. So guys, we are going to uptown. So we just left downtown over there. Downtown is over there, so this is uptown. You know, we are near now the governor's office. Do you know where the governor's office is? Yeah, you don't know. You know, this guy lives in Nairobi, but he's never coming to town. So
Yeah.
when I come to town, I even show him the governor's office.
Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Yeah. So do you know where we are going?
This is called Corner House. I think maybe it's the university. I think
It's here in this building.
yeah.
Yeah, it's university. I think one time we were here, me, Nasto, and Mayugi. Yeah, we took a photo here. And and I can see a lot of people. Today is on a weekend. They are taking photos. No, they are taking photos. I think we should. Yo. Yes. So here we cannot pass here because this is a government place. So I think we should go this way, guys. We are trying to be careful. So we have people taking photos here. Yes. Yeah, I think we took a photo here, me, Nasto, and Mayugno. Yeah. So guys, we are trying to trace the postal office in Nairobi, the main post office in Nairobi. So yeah.
You see how Nairobi people live. You can see they're friendly. They can do any shit they want. They can
These people are
do
not
photo shoots. You can even see.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let's try first
Any place right now.
Okay.
You can even see.
Wapek. We were there also. That is
Where we bought your laptop, right?
no. This is where Jalangos Hotel is. Wapek.
Oh, this one.
Yes, you see, I'm showing this guy in Nairobi. Yes, this is Jalangos Hotel, Wapek. We were here once, yeah, a long time ago, guys. So, yeah, Wapek, delicious foods. We were here once.
For Jalas.
Yes, Jalas. Thanks to Jalas, big up to you. Yes, now the MP of Langada. Yes, so guys, let's try and trace the postal office. So guys, the reason why I came to Nairobi, I had a present from a subscriber that sent a present to me, and it had to come to our postal office, but it didn't reach. So they told me it is here in Nairobi at the main postal office. So that's why I came to Nairobi to trace on it, because he insisted that I should come and trace it so that we can get it, guys. And hopefully we will get it, hopefully. Yeah. So this is the way that we are going. So this is Nairobi. Whoa, it's been long. I'm so happy. Fresh air.
You are a little bit moving very fast.
I was now.
Anytime in Kenya from Saturday and Sunday, they mainly close at 12.
Are you sure
Yeah.
you're going fast?
Yeah, I'm telling you.
Yeah. So we're trying to rush. You're sure? Oh yes. Now I can get this way. This is called. Yes. So yeah.
Yeah, I think Kaunda Street. Kaunda Street, I think. Kaunda Street.
Kaunda Street, Wabera Street.
Yeah, so yeah, going to Kaunda Street.
So we are moving, guys, so fast so that we can manage to get there before they close. You know, today is on a weekend. So they close very early. Oh. Wow. I remember sometime we came here, guys, looking for a hotel to sleep. Standard ST Road. Yeah. Whoa. So we're still moving, huh? I think should go that way. Yeah, now I can trace it from here. Yes, exactly, this is the way. So a lot of people are in town, as I told you guys, photo shoots. They are doing photo shoots, yes. So we cross this way. Yes, now from here I can see the place. Yeah. This is Nairobi, Kenya travel. This way, we are going this way. So be careful. Yeah, I'm really missing the village, but I'm going back tomorrow, guys. So if I get what I came for today, tomorrow in the evening I will be heading back in the village so that we can continue with the project of village grandma's project, the kitchen, so that we complete it. Yeah, and yeah, wow, give me a minute. So this is Nairobi, Jaikwa Towers, and I'm here. So also this is a bank here in Nairobi. So this is uptown. You see, people are very easy, but when you go to downtown, it's very congested and people are very like trying to squeeze themselves so that they get place to pass. But here it's easy, you know. So we have this uptown and downtown. I think uptown is where rich people maybe stay or live, or rather live, but in downtown is meant for everyone, poor, rich, middle class, and yeah. But here I think it's meant for the rich. Yeah, chicken in. We don't have this in the village. Yeah, this is a good project. Maybe someone can start a project like chicken in. Yeah, you don't know. I think it's a company. Maybe you can contact them so that you can open in the village. Like we want to open the butchery of goat meat. Yeah, the village. Wow, really like the shops. Sneakers studio. Yeah. So guys, it has been long, as I've been saying. Now we're in Nairobi city, but Nairobi is very hectic, very expensive, and yeah, very expensive. Very expensive. That's why, guys, when you come here, you spend some few days, especially person like, I can say like me, you know, there are some other people who can come and spend here even an year. Yeah, but for me, I think for now I think when I come, maybe vlogging, maybe if I go so much 1 week, yeah, that will be enough. So we are near. Yes, so this is the we call it the Huduma Center. So here is where you can get your ID and everything. So this is Huduma Center. Guys, you know, I just forgot to cross the road. You know, here in Nairobi, cars are coming from this side and this side. So, and in the village, you just look at one side. Yes, so yes, we are almost here. So this is the Huduma Center. Here's where you can get your ID or some other papers that you need. So Huduma Center Kenya. So this is the Kamageras here. See how people are hustling out here to make ends meet at the end of the day. Yeah. And the other thing I forgot to tell you guys, like a story here, people can cheat you, like we only remaining one person to go, and you get in, you get yourself inside. So I think the place is around here. CPU. Yeah, it's here. So guys, we are not allowed to record here, so we will go in. Then I will tell you what is going on. Yeah, so we are already here. Yeah, so guys, unfortunately we didn't get what we wanted from the postal office. They told me to go back again on Monday. but I think I should go back home because we have a lot of things. Hey, niaje? Uko poa? Shoot.
Tujione kwa mbulu, si ndio?
Sawa sawa. So people are shooting here. This is the hustle that they do, and they allow people to shoot here on weekends only, because on weekdays it's very busy. So this is KICC, where prominent people are always found, and the government houses also are here. That is the offices of the county government of Nairobi. So they only allow in weekends, because on weekends people are very free. So guys, as I was telling you, we didn't manage to get what we came to have in Nairobi, unfortunately, but maybe we'll come another day. But niaje? Eh?
Shut up. You want to shut up? Can you not go?
So we have a lot of things. So yeah, I can't say I'm sad, but yeah, we'll just look for another option, or maybe another option. That is what I think. So guys, we are going back home, but before we go back home, we are going to meet my brother, that is engineer software, before I go back home tomorrow. So yes, so this government offices, guys, and I don't know if it's really allowed to film here. So this is the parliament, huh? We are going near the parliament, guys. So I don't know if we are allowed. Yes, so the parliament is here. Guys, have to be very, very careful. So this is the parliament of Kenya. Yeah. Wow. So the Senate.
The
Office of the Senate. I don't know if you're allowed, guys. We are trying, this place is very protected, so let's cut from here so that we can be very careful. You see, this road is very clean, no cars, no many cars passing, so let's be very, very careful, guys. Yeah, so guys, this is Masai market, and this is what they sell here, guys. I think we should have to go in here and maybe buy one of the bracelets here. Yeah, this is Masai market, so maybe we can go in. Yeah, so African prints. Yes. Yeah, and maybe I can buy one. Hey, how are you? How are you doing? Santi. Yes, so guys, African art. This is called Masai market.
Yeah.
Okay.
Masai Kere.
Eh?
Masai no, it's not Masai market.
Eh?
It's Masai shops.
Masai shops. It's okay. Haina shida.
Masai market is in Masai.
Ni Masai? Sawa.
But here is not Masai market.
Okay.
Here is Kikuyu market.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, so that guy is trying to challenge us. But anyway, so do you mind being on my camera? I'm a content creator. Huh?
Don't be shy.
Okay. Okay, do you make these things yourselves?
Yeah, we do.
Yourselves?
Yeah, ourselves.
Okay. So guys, maybe pick something from here. Yeah. Huh? Here. Okay. So guys, we are trying to pick something from here. Yeah. So that was my brother leaving. He doesn't want to be on camera. Engineer software. Gani za wanaume nzuri? For men. Easy.
Okay, unavyo nini leo?
Unauzaje?
500.
Moja. Guys, 501. That is around.
Acha nimalize.
It is around. Bei ya kuongea.
Ana pesa.
Kama hii ni poa sana.
$50. 200. 200. 200. Half 200. Guys, I don't know the color. This one. But yeah. But I don't like. I think we should buy for your son something. For your daughter, Zani. Yeah, Zani.
1.6 anaweza vanini kadem.
1.6.
Una mind ya Kenya, kabanda Kenya.
Mind, lakini sasa sijui ingine yenye naweza kuwa at least nini.
1.6. That is around how many years?
1 year and 6 months.
1 year, 6 months. This is big. Yeah.
Let me see.
It's big.
Oh. This one.
At least na akabwa akajivuti tena. Sasa ndio hiyo nilikuwa napiga hesabu.
Hauna ina stretch.
Acha hii ina stretch. Yeah, at least hata in case kama hata ikikuwa nini, it's okay anaweza. Unaona? Akiweka kama itakuwa hata big.
So this one is how much?
Hiyo?
Hii hapana. This one no.
So let's this one ama kadogo.
So this one is nice. Aka juni mtoto nipatie wanchona.
So
Ni wapi?
hey.
Yeah, the evil. Niko wapi nipotea?
Hey, bargaining power. I wish
Kwa sababu ya beads. These are fine beads. Hizi ni mwagika.
Ati
These are fine beads.
fine beads.
Yeah.
And this mwagika.
Mwagika.
Hey.
You see how
We
neat
have
it is?
100 shillings for this.
It is.
Yeah.
You see how neat it is?
Even this is neat.
No.
This one is, it's like this.
This is fine beads. This is this. Yeah.
Are you sure?
That is this. And it's also this one. Can you compare that one with this one? Why is it? Can you compare it with this one? It's also 100. Can you compare it with this? You can't.
So we have 100 shillings. We want to support you just
Make that we take something but siko bad tukitoka hivyo na tumekuja kushikashika.
yeah.
Haina shida. Hii ni biashara.
We have 100.
Watu wakishika.
Na easy? Yeah. Guys, this is Nairobi. I want to go back to my village in Nyabuhanza. Very excited. Ni sawa basi, wacha tufikirie tutarudi tapitia. Lazima tukuchangie kitu. Thank you anyway. Lazima tutakuchangia kitu. Yeah. So guys, it's very expensive. I will go back to Nyabuhanza. Once village. Yeah, so this is Masai market. Yeah. Yeah, everything is nice but very expensive. Very, very expensive. It's even dresses. Yeah, so guys, I think this place is crazy expensive, so you just need to pass and just look at things like the way they are. Yeah, I think Nasto wanted something like this, string.
For what?
Yeah, for hunting. Yeah. 5,000. Hey. Yeah. So this is it, guys, here in Nairobi. This place is near Kencom. Yeah. So we're just passing by because we tried even to bargain. How is it? Very, very expensive. Yes, at least to buy from outside. Have beautiful things here, but they are very, very, very expensive. So we can't afford. Hey. Huh? Yeah. So it's very, very expensive. Masai market. Yeah. So Masai market means it's meant. Everything here is meant from Masai. Like the prints are Masai and African prints. Yeah. Yes. See, everything is meant from Masai. Huh? Oh, so this is the outlet, guys. Very beautiful. So yeah, we are outside. So this place, we are lost. Oh, Kencom. Oh, we are going this way. So guys, this is Masai market near Kencom. This is KCB Bank. Yeah, I think one of the banks that you can never get lost here in Nairobi. It's near also Archives. So you can get it just opposite this bank. I believe it's behind KCB Bank Kencom. So we have to cross very fast. Yeah, no, Nairobi is very challenging, guys.
This is the parking area.
Parking area.
Yeah.
This place was not there while I was here in Nairobi. It's new. That's why I was telling you, Ma, we are lost. See, but now everything is changing in Nairobi. Every single few months, things are changing. So, yeah. Yes. So we're just walking. I'm trying to show you how Nairobi looks like. Yes, it's been long since Maja Kiki was here, guys. So we are back again. And guys, if you watch this corner house, so we go this way.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, we can pass there. Yes.
We have a friend. We're going to meet our friend there. She works at salon.
Yeah, because of light, yes. Salon.
Yeah. You remember her, right?
It's long. I don't think.
I know. I know it's
very long.
Remember?
So guys, be careful. Yes. I think we passed here, going that way, but now again we are back in this way. So we went to see my brother, engineer software, and he just dropped us over here, and now we are going back the same route so that we can see a friend too. Boni TV. Then we get back to the house so that we can rest, guys, and yeah, try to figure out what to do tomorrow before I leave to the village, because we didn't get what we came for. Yeah, so we go this way. You remember it very well? Or yeah. So guys, we are moving. This is Nairobi. This is the city center. Huh?
Yeah. Hello?
City center, yes. I see a lot of people here are photographers. Yeah. A lot of them I can see they are photographers. I don't see vloggers, I see a lot of photographers. So yeah, I'm the only one here today, guys. So yeah, let's move. So we are here, we are just around Kencom. So we are looking for a house that is called Corner House. Oh, it's here. So we don't have to record here, we have to ask first. Yeah, we have to ask first. We can record. Yeah, so we are trying to ask the security guards. Boy, Nazar record. Yeah, so okay, so we don't have to record. Yeah, so guys, this is the CBD. Unfortunately, also again, we were not allowed to film where we are going to see our friends, so it's very restricted here in Nairobi. So this is the CBD. We are trying to go and find our way back to the house. Yes? Huh?
Yeah.
Why are you absent-minded?
No, but you know.
Yeah. So we go this way, or we can.
Let's go this way.
Yes. So we have to cross this way. Yeah, so we're going this way, guys. Okay. Crossing the road to this side so that you can find the matatu back to where we came from, because our business now is done here in town, and that is, maybe you can pass here, so that I also have a friend here that,
Oh, you have a friend here?
yeah, we can visit. She has a shop.
You know it can rain anytime right now.
No problem.
We need to rush and go.
No problem. We'll just go even if it rains. So this is the Menti house here. So guys, I just want to pass by and say hi. You know, it's just a few days here, so when you get time to say hi to your friends, you say hi. So you can't remember well, maybe you can pass through here. Bon. So we can pass through here, guys. That's the way. Yeah, I think it's here. I'm not lost. Jackie Valley. Yes, it's here, Jackie Valley. Jackie Valley. Mambo, Barize. Jackie hayuko? Alienda Ochama? Ha? Oh, sawa, mwambie Maja alikuwa hapa. Yeah, so this is my friend's shop. This is Jackie Vazi. When you come to Nairobi Menti, look for her. Yeah, Jackie Vazi. Yes, so guys, today unfortunately everything is, I don't know what happened. Everything is bouncing. How we don't find our friends. Yeah, so I think it's time to head back home, guys. So, let's move. Oh, so this is the front side of the parking. So it's kind of an underground house. Moving very fast because also guys in Nairobi have to be very, very careful. very, very careful. Yeah, so the place that you are going is now maybe the most dangerous place.
Yeah, Masai.
So which one are we going to? This one?
That's what I want.
No, don't like this one. Let's go.
Yaje? Sija kurecord bro. So he's trying to tell me that I'm recording him. Yeah. And to maneuver to get him. So you're trying to get the best. Huh? No. Just take a normal matatu that is almost full so that we can get home early also. This is the part to passengers. It's almost full. So going this. No. Music, a lot of music. Yes, so guys, we are going with this back to where we came from. So we are taking the back seat, guys. Here. So we came with what is it called? The first car that you
Nganya.
So this one is?
This is a Mac, but
This
that
is-
one is pimped. You know, that one is pimped with loud music,
Yeah, even this I can hear.
graphics.
Yeah, so this is how this car looks like. So you can compare this from the other one, guys. So let's just head back home, and yeah. And then, guys, keep on watching. Tomorrow I will be in Nairobi. You guys, if you're watching me here in Nairobi, Maja_KE is here. Kindly, if you're here, content creator, you can DM me or WhatsApp me. My number is there so that we can connect before I go back to the village. Yeah, big up to everyone else.
Maja_KE. Let's Maja_KE. Let's subscribe kindly.
Yeah, and I don't want to forget, this day was very, I can say it was very bad, but anyway, you never know. I want to say big up to Isaac from Nairobi West. Sorry for that video, I lost it, but I really want to big up you and your daughter. Thank you so much for watching us. It was so great you meeting me, and I'm so happy. Be blessed, and your family. Say hi to your family. Peace and love.